Smart lock installation video. Front lock, rear lock, battery, spiral tube, square rod, screw, lock the body, screw, buckle box, key, card, rear lock gasket, rear lock rubber pad, front lock, rubber pad. Adjust the direction of the handle, as shown in the video, as opening the door to the left. Adjust the handle to the left, take out the steering screw, align it with the hole, and tighten it. Our door opening direction has been adjusted. Test whether the handle has elasticity. If not, tighten the screws again. Aim the arrow towards the direction of the handle. Next, we will adjust the opening direction of the rear lock of the smart lock. Remember, the direction of the front lock handle is different from that of the rear lock handle. Test whether the handle has elasticity and adjust it if there is elasticity. Check if the handle is in different directions. Install front and rear locking rubber pads. Tighten the front locking screw and align it with a hole for installation. Tighten the screw tube with pliers. Open the battery cover. Install lock body. Align the hole and tighten the screws to fix the lock body. Install the front lock and thread the wires through the holes. The screw cannot exceed the outdoor door edge, and if it exceeds, it must be cut to the appropriate size. Install the front lock and thread the wires through the holes. Tighten the screws. Adjust the front and rear locks. Please note that the square pole should not exceed 2 centimeters from the door edge. Otherwise, it needs to be cut. Insert square rod. After installing the lock, connect the power cord first and align it with the position of the square pole to install the lock. Tighten the screws. Install the battery and then cover the battery box cover. Installation completed.